Hello, Sarah from the Bureau with a severe weather update on the rain developing through central and eastern parts of the country. But I'll start looking at the radar data from this morning through to now, and we can just to highlight those hit and miss showers continuing about the east coast. Now we've had scattered rainfall totals of 10 to 30 millimetres in the last 24 hours, the heaviest of which were about the Illawarra and the south coast, where there were some isolated totals of 50 to 60 millimetres. But if we zoom out with the satellite imagery, we can see this rain band, and it's really starting to firm up, and that's due to an approaching upper level trough. And we've had thunderstorms and lightning strikes, particularly about northeastern parts of South Australia, that's starting to move into the southwest of Queensland and northwestern New South Wales. So taking a look at what we're expecting to happen for the rest of the afternoon, that rain band will be pushed eastwards, clearing from South Australia, and tomorrow the focus of the heavier rainfall totals will move into the interior of New South Wales and potentially even southern Queensland as well. Now, widespread rainfall totals of 10 to 40 millimetres are expected, but even higher totals of 50 to 80 millimetres, more isolated, are possible. And the Warrego River in New South Wales is already in moderate flooding, so we know that any further rainfall over that catchment will respond really quickly. So residents within that area should stay up to date with our forecasts and warnings. Now, Friday afternoon, now shifting the focus to the east coast, we've got those hit and miss showers that start to consolidate later on Friday into another rain band down here. So rain developing about the southern half of New South Wales coast, and as we move into Saturday, that upper level trough will combine with this coastal trough and really ramp up the weather over New South Wales eastern half for a wet weekend. Now, moderate to heavy rainfall is expected about the southern half of New South Wales, and at the moment the focus will be on the Illawarra. We're expecting to issue a severe weather warning tomorrow for that heavy rainfall. And as we know, grounds are really wet through eastern parts of New South Wales due to recent rainfall. So that increases the likelihood of both flash and riverine flooding. But at the moment, at this stage, it's too hard to pinpoint exactly where that flooding will be or how severe it will be, but we're keeping a really close eye on it. And flood watches are expected to be issued as we move closer to the weekend. Now on Sunday, that the upper level trough will continue to push eastwards, clearing the rain band from northern parts. However, heavy rainfall is still expected to continue about the southern half, particularly the Illawarra and the south coast. So how much rainfall are we expecting? This is the accumulated rainfall from now all the way through until Sunday night. And it really just highlights where we're expecting the heavier rainfall totals to be, about the southern half, where we've got the potential between 100 and 150 millimetres, even reaching up to 200 millimetres in places. But even inland, the rainfall totals look to be 50 plus millimetres, even reaching up to close to 100. So if you or anyone you know lives within these areas, it's really important to stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings via the Bureau website, app and social media, and listen to all advice from your local emergency services. Bye for now.